Our new splicing machine is the fastest and highest specifications all over the world, with best price and top range ever. Now let's see our certificates. CE certificate for European approvals. ISO 9001. ISO 4001. Our latest splicing machine ALK 88A+. Let's compare between our ALK 88A+ and one of the highest brands in the market, from Japan. ALK 88A+ has more applicable fibers. For splicing time, ALK 88A+ is faster. For tube heating time, ALK 88A+ is faster. ALK 88A+ is more stable while operating conditions. ALK 88A+ is more reliable. ALK 88A+ is able to splice more at full charge. From the previous comparison, ALK 88A+ is range wider, faster, more battery cycles, more reliable, and operates in hard conditions. Support: 3 years warranty with advanced and available replacement for any maintenance time stop. Free training. Free training for your staff includes operation, splicing, troubleshooting, maintenance. Manufacturing. German core. Assembling in China.